In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from your Binance Earn wallet to your spot wallet on iPhone. This is handy when you want to move funds out of Earn so you can trade, sell, or withdraw. I'll walk you through each tap and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening the Binance app on your iPhone and logging in. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date, since the layout can change slightly with new versions. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner and tap Assets. This is your portfolio hub, where you can see your balances across different Binance sections. Next, tap Spot. This focuses the view on your trading wallet and makes the transfer option easier to find. Now tap Transfer. This is an internal move within Binance, not a blockchain withdrawal, so it's typically instant and doesn't charge a network fee. It simply shifts your funds from one Binance wallet category to another. On the transfer screen, tap From and select Earn Wallet. This tells Binance that the source of the funds is your Earn balance. Then tap To and select Spot Wallet. Double check that it clearly shows Earn to Spot so you're moving funds in the intended direction. Now choose the crypto you want to transfer. Tap the asset name and select the token from your list. If you don't see a specific coin, it may be locked in a fixed term product or simply have no available balance. Only the available amount from flexible or matured products can be moved. Pick the correct token, especially if you hold multiple variants of a coin. Next, tap Amount and enter how much you want to transfer. You can move a portion or the full available amount. Be mindful of any minimums that might apply. If the amount is too small, the app will let you know. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the asset, the direction earned to spot, and the amount. Accuracy here prevents headaches later. When everything looks right, tap Confirm Transfer. The app will process the move, and in most cases, your funds will appear in your spot wallet right away. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Just give it a little time to reflect. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Binance Earn to Spot on your iPhone, setting yourself up to trade, sell, or withdraw as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move your funds with confidence.